Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdulaziz Layeri, and today I will talk about normalization in database. So, starting with the content. First of all, the process of normalization. Also, I will talk about normalized form and first normal form. And I will talk about the second normal form, and at the last I will talk about the third normal form. So, what is the normalization and what is the type of normalization? I will answer those questions in my presentation. So, starting with the process of normalization, a process of organizing the data in database to avoid data redundancy. Another definition of the normalization is a process of organizing the data into tables in such a way that the results of using the database are always ambiguous. So we will move to types of normalization. First of all is the unnormalized form. Second of it is first normal form. And after that, second normal form. And the last is third normal form. Why is unnormalized data is a problem for us? Because a properly normalized database and poorly normalized tables can cause problems ranging from extensive. So, an improperly normalized conduction can result in extensive data redundancy, which put a burden on all programs that modify all data. Now we move to first normal form. First normal form enforces these criteria. 1. Eliminate repeating groups, individual tables. 2. Create a spirit table for each set related data. 3. Identify each set of related data with the prime key. So now I will give you an example of first normal form to make it easier to you to understand it. So, how do we bring an unnormalized table into first normal form? Consider the following example. So we have table that contain 3 columns. First one is product ID. Second one is color. Third one is price. So, and this table is not in the first normal form because of the color column can contain multiple values. You can see it in the first row in the color column. You can see red and green. And another example, the fourth row, you can see yellow and blue. Second normal form. The definition of it is a table is said to be in second normal form if both the following conditions hold. 1. Table is in first normal form. 2. No non-prime attribute is dependent on the proper subset of any candidate keys of table. That means an attribute that is not part of any candidate keys is known as non-prime attribute. Now, I will give you an example of second normal form to make it easier to understand it. So, consider in the following example, the table have three columns: the customer ID, store ID, purchase location. Now, this table has complexity prime key, that's customer ID and store ID. The non-key attribute is purchase location. In this case, purchase location only depends on store ID, which is only part of primary key. Therefore, this table does not satisfy with second normal form. Now we get the first normal form and we get the second normal form, and we know about the unnormalized form. Now we will have the last normal form, that is the third normal form. The definition of it is a table is said to be in third normal form if both the following condition hold. 1. Table must be in second normal form. 2. Transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any superkey should be removed. That means an attribute that is not part of any candidate keys is now as non-prime attribute. So, in other words, the third normal form can be explained like this. A table is in third normal form if it is in second normal form, and for each functional dependency x to y, at least one of following conditions hold: x is superkey of table, or y is a prime attribute of table. That means an attribute that is a part of one of the candidate keys is known as prime attribute. At the last one, the third normal form, I will briefly tell you an example for it so you understand if you didn't get it. So, you will see this example has a book ID, genre ID, genre type, and the price. So, in the table, able book ID determines genre ID, and the genre ID determines genre type. Therefore, the book ID determines genre type via genre ID, and we have transitive functional dependency, and this structure does not satisfy third normal form. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.